Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead channel. So today I wanted to share something with you. It's not a pleasant or an achievement on the homestead, but I just needed to share this part of the journey with you. And this part of the journey is one of the struggles when you are building a split level house. Okay, so now I am standing up where the living room and the kitchen would be. I've already started the staircase. This is going to be filled with backfill and then concrete on top. That right there will be the partition for the bedrooms as well as the bathroom and the office area. Anyway, it rained heavily today, and down there is a mess right now because I do use down there to shower because I don't have a bathroom. Toilet is right there. Anywho, the staircase is a work in progress, but this is what happened today. The water came through the sides and beneath the foundation, and it just flooded the entire area. Luckily, I have a drainage pipe right there, and the water is drawing from that right now. I had another hole right there down right here, but it got filled up with concrete. So this is about I can say this was probably about 3 inches of water right here, and it's a lot more down there because that over there is deeper. Anywho, so it came in through this wall as well, the foot of this wall. This water is the water that ran from the sides and so on. That's the landing right there. I finished that this morning, and I still have some blocks to lay to get the staircase up to the height of here. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, get this out of my system. This is another problem that I'm gonna have to fix if I want to use the space down here. Yeah, but building split level houses or a basement that you want to utilize comes with challenges like these. So just ensure that you have you take extra precaution to prevent this from happening. Hopefully I can build some trenches outside and get most of the water away from the building. I don't know if you can see over here in that corner right there, the wall is wet. The water came through that side as well. That's where the bathtub would be. I anticipated some soaking, but not as much as this, honestly. So anyway, I had some laundry that I did this morning that weren't dried. I hung them in here thinking that it would be a dry area. The roof is on, so there's no sky water. And this is the most water I've seen in here, even without the roof. So yeah, this is kind of a setback, but we'll get through it and figure it out. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel to keep up with updates. I haven't been posting lately because I've been super busy, but I will try my best to get back to recording and so on. The walls up here are done. These are the bedrooms up here. We just need the windows now and the flooring. The flooring will go above right where the stucco jobs ended. But yeah, this is what's going on the homestead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Help the channel grow, gain some exposure, and bye bye.